Do you work in the real estate industry and struggle to keep up with the latest technology? Trust, I feel you. I want to help you and simplify your life so you can achieve more while doing less. Hi, my name is Jonathan Acuna. I love talking about business productivity tips, and today I want to share with you one app that's going to allow you to effortlessly track your contacts, all your properties, all of those payments, your notes, all of your contacts, your schedules, and so much more. Yes, you heard me, in one app. But let's zoom out. You're probably working in the real estate industry and you're working with at least five or more completely different apps. You're using Slack, you're using Trello, you're using Jotform, Zapier, Google Docs, email, so much more, even messaging, and you're struggling to keep up with all the different apps and all the information is all in different places. Well, I want to organize, I want to first eliminate all of those and put them all in one app to help streamline your whole work and make your life so much simpler and more peaceful. So with the new app, it's going to allow you to take your work on the go, visualize your projects and pipelines, communicate with your clients easily, and track all your schedules, and even set reminders and have so much more bonuses. So let's get you started with a free template. And I want to share with you my top 5 features in ClickUp that's going to level up your business. Let's go. So let's go into my workspace and bam, we're now in. So ClickUp is already going to help you out, and they have amazing templates that are free, simple to use to get you started today. And ClickUp, they have a free account, so you can start using all of these features, except for like the forms and stuff. Like those are up into the business class, but most of the features that you'll see today, you can use with the free account. So that's what's really exciting about this. So starting off, you can select this template to get started. So let's actually dive in and let's take apart this template to actually see how we can actually use all these new cool features. And this is going to lead me to feature number 1. You get to visualize your complete deal pipeline in one app. So this is cool. This is all my contacts, the opportunity, all the different stages. So we can see here, here's the all the different contacts in the open stage, ones I've contacted, ones that are interested in a property, ones that are in a negotiating stage, and congratulations, I sold 2 properties using this. It's completely made up. So this is just me making it up using ClickUp as a in the real estate. So we could actually take a look at these deals. If we zoom out or even look at all these details of all our columns that we're remembering when all the due dates. Did we do a tour? Did we schedule a tour? Did we complete a tour? Do we have to revisit a tour? Contract. Do we send the contract out? Is it signed? Is it in draft? And payment. Yo, we want to get paid. Yo, is payment processing? Was it received? Is it still pending? We want to make sure we keep track of all those details. Track of the listing, a little more details about the property. You can see the market value. All of this information is in one, let's zoom out, one app. And so right here we can see completely where our sales are right now. This is cool. This syncs across your like mobile device on your phone because you're out in the go, you're mobile, and so you can see and access all this information on the go and on the fly. And so that's pro tip number 1 is allows you to organize all the details on your contacts, your pipelines, all the different properties all in one app where you can visualize it. But let's move on to pro tip number 2 because your time is valuable and you live by your calendar, scheduling meetings, wanting to know what you're going to be doing over the next couple weeks, days, months. And so that's where ClickUp is going to help you out by giving you pro tip number 2, helping you plan and schedule using this feature such as calendar. Boom. So here we can see a calendar view. It's looking at the same list and we can see this weekend I have 3 properties I'm going to be viewing. So I have a client, Kristen, today. I have another one, Charles, tomorrow. And I'm going to see Ashley on Saturday. We can see there's a listings, which will link to it. And then we can see the market value of the properties that we're going to be showing to our clients. And let's actually open this up. So this is cool because then you can see your whole calendar, your whole day, and then you could do cool things like this. You can, let's zoom out. There we go. You can, I don't need this. You can move these around. Say they need to reschedule. Oh my gosh, you can drag and drop. We're going to see them next Wednesday. Bam, isn't that nice and organized? But let's say I want to see a list. Let's actually open this up because this is so organized. This is going to help. You can have your all the properties, all the different days of the clients you're going to view. If you work in construction, all the different stages of the process from planning, the construction to build to marketing, say all the different the stages. It's really nice that you can see everything in one calendar view. Um, but let's dive into an actual ticket or task or contact so that we can see all the cool information. Oh, wait. I want to back up. Pro tip number three. This one's really cool. We love staying organized with what should you be working on today. And there's another way that you could visualize, and people love Trello. So you still get all the features of Trello in ClickUp. We can see your entire deal pipeline here and all the different stages from open, how many ones you have in contact. Oh, we contacted actually Marcia, so we can actually move. She's interested. We can move her over. And then we have contracts that we're negotiating, contracts sent. Ooh, and our two properties that we sold. Looking good, organized for the week. We know exactly where our time and focus is going to be on. And so that is, oh, people who love Trello, this is amazing. Super organized. I love the Kanban board. It's super productive. Let's go on to pro tip number three. And let's actually open up one of these tickets and look at all the cool information we get to save that's not in our head. I'm going to go to our listings. Actually, let's go to our calendar. And on our calendar, let's look at Kristen for today. So if we look at Kristen, oops, and here's Kristen. Okay, so we have a contact Kristen. You have a section here for all the details and information, but down here we have special fields. We know where the address is. Oh, let's zoom in. There we go. We know where the address is. We know where the contact, are they in a draft, or the contract is a draft sent, so you can see all the different uh, stages for the contract, the address. You can see the listing for the Zillow. If we click on this, it will hyperlink us and take us directly to that beautiful property that I'm going to get. It's on the list. And then here you can see the value of it. Payment, is it pending? Property, extra fields. Do a tour. You can have the email address, estimated value, opportunity. All this information is not in your head. Is in ClickUp, and you, and not just you, but your entire team knows what you know. And so your team, if you've ever been bugged by your team, hey, what's the size on that one property? Hey, did we send the contract out? What's the value of the opportunity? What's the phone number of that one client? Your team doesn't bug you for any questions because using ClickUp, what you what you know, they know. And everything from tasks, projects, documents, all of that is organized in one place. So you're like, hey, it's in ClickUp. Don't have to bother me. I'm out closing deals. Like, this is great. It makes your team autonomous, powerful, and everyone have perfect memory. I love this. But let's zoom out because we get a lot of bonus features here. That's really cool too. On the right hand side, remember I talked about we could get rid of Slack? Well, on the right hand side, this is a chat feature here where you can chat with your team. You can CC people, you can comment people, you can have them come in and have a whole chat conversation, and also see all the history of all the activity that's happened on this contact card. So when did you call them? When did you email them? Notes you said, conversation notes, next steps. All of that is logged here, so you get a perfect memory of all the conversation and history of activity related to closing this deal. And then you could go back after you close this deal. You could look back at all your history and activity and be like, what led up to that deal close so quickly? Turns out we actually we followed up on them like a hound. We sent them emails. We followed up with extra leads. We gave them extra value. We followed up, and oh my god, we offered so much extra value that no wonder we closed that deal 4 weeks closer or faster than other deals. It was because, and you can see here, you can see your activity here. So you get to learn faster each iteration as you close deals. You'll learn from your deals, and you can see all this information. I love this. By the way, you can also zoom from here. There's a little link right here for Zoom. And then from here, you can start a Zoom meeting all from here. Oh, by the way, but wait, there's more. It's so cool. You can even email directly from here. Yes, you heard me. You can email from this chat window right here, once you sync your email, I didn't sync my email. I don't want my email showing up on the window. But if you sync your email, you can email your clients directly from here. And then when they reply, you'll see the reply email in here. That's amazing cool. Then you get the whole email conversation. You're like, this email is buried in. Is this related to this deal? What was the conversation thread? And you can have all your notes and everything in here. Oh my gosh, it gives you perfect memory. It increases your memory because you don't have to remember all these details. ClickUp, the app, is remembering and helping you stay productive and organized. I love this thing. Um, let's and you can also chat with your team. Hey, I think that is like the coolest thing ever. Okay, so let's move on. I think we're on number 4 or 5. Oh, number four. Number four was communication. So let's move on to number 5. This one is the most well bonus. We'll just do a bonus real quick. You get this cool feature like maps. Oh, let's do 2 bonus. Bonus number 1 is like a map. You can see all the deals in a nice window because we like to see a map view to get like logistics of where we are, where we're going, if we're going to see some leads and deals. So here we can see a map view of 2 deals that I closed, one for Talia and one for Kristen, and we can see they were closing deals and you can zoom out. And so this is pulling it from my list. It's actually pulling it from my sold list. It's actually pulling it from this one. This is a list of properties sold. So here we can see those 2 properties, those addresses, or the addresses are actually Talia. You can see the address right here. So we get this cool map, but let's talk about bonus number 5, or number 5. That's probably to me the most important and probably the most valuable to any business is you actually get the power to actually systematize and truly automate your business. Let me say that again. You get to systematize and completely automate. Now I say completely, but you get to automate a lot of work in ClickUp. So let's check it out. Some of the automation features that you could do in ClickUp. For example, anytime you have to edit information or update fields or assign tasks to another team member or change status, all of those updating of fields, you can have ClickUp do those automations. For example, you can let's see here. When the status is changed, you could add it to a new list. When a status is changed, you could change the priority. So when it's when you move it to a location, you can change the status. All of these things will update when a task is created, change the assignee. So if they create a new task, we want to assign this to our sales rep. But if it reaches the final stage, we want to assign that to our customer success person who can onboard them. So you could assign this to your different team members as the deal is moving through the pipeline automatically. But that's not even the coolest thing. The coolest thing are down here is one, the email integration. You could do automated email from here. So when a lead automate fills out your form to get in contact with you, you can automatically have ClickUp send them an email. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Welcome. These are the services or products that I offer. And so you could immediately send an email when they fill out a form, completely automated from here. Um, but this one's really cool. I haven't played around with this much, but I really want to check. I'm going to hook this up to mine. You can set it up to even send you a text message. Like when the status changes and it moves to closed, you could get a text message. Congratulations, you just closed that $2 million deal. Like that is crazy. You can email your whole team. Or when the status becomes new and a deal is high, then you could text your lead sales rep to get on this deal as immediately as possible. So you can do amazingly powerful automations here to really automate your business, get your team aligned together so that you guys can coordinate and crush it and close more deals at the end of the day. Like this is incredibly powerful, and I love stuff like this. I just get too excited. But with ClickUp, you can truly systematize and automate your real estate business right now. If you want to learn how to get the most out of ClickUp, you can join me in one of my workshops where I'll help you master ClickUp so you can achieve more while doing less in your business. I'm Jonathan Acuna. It's a pleasure to meet all of you in the real estate industry. Talk to you soon, and let's definitely connect. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next episode.